Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing proof and both SIMs. You'll need the new number live for verification. Once ready, open Fampay and go straight to Profile, then Help or Support chat. Explain you must change your link number and request an account number change. Don't ask for settings that the app hides. You do this because Fampay ties accounts to verified mobiles for security. Initiating support creates a formal ticket and avoids lockout while they verify identity. Once an agent responds, provide the exact old mobile and explain you have the new SIM active. Upload the requested identity documents and a selfie. This matches your KYC on file. Follow the agent's instructions. They will temporarily unlock the account to send an OTP to your new number or initiate a backend update. You do this because manual verification prevents fraud, and the agent coordinates the technical change that the app won't allow directly. After support completes the update, you'll receive an OTP to your new number. Enter it and verify that you can log in. Once in, check balances, card limits, and any saved UPI or beneficiary links. Make sure nothing reset unexpectedly. If the change stalls, note the ticket ID and escalate by emailing support with the same ID and attachments. Make sure your new SIM can receive SMS and the ID images are clear, or the process will be delayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.